Have you ever wondered about the tiny computer that has revolutionized the tech world and holds immense potential for do-it-yourself projects? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a series of small single-board computers developed in the United Kingdom by the Raspberry Pi Foundation. But why does it matter? The primary objective of Raspberry Pi is to promote the teaching of basic computer science in schools and in developing countries. It's a cost-effective tool that enables people of all ages to explore computing and learn how to program. The story of Raspberry Pi begins in 2006, when a group of academics and technicians at the University of Cambridge's computer laboratory became concerned about the decline in the skills and number of students applying to study computer science. Eben Upton, Rob Mullins, Jack Lang, and Alan Mycroft decided to create a high-performance, cost-effective, and easily accessible computer to inspire the next generation. Fast forward to 2012, and the Raspberry Pi Model B was launched. With only 512 megabytes of RAM and a 700 MHz processor, it was a modest start, but importantly, it was affordable and accessible. The first batch of 10,000 units sold out almost immediately, signifying the beginning of the Raspberry Pi era. In 2014, the Raspberry Pi Model B Plus was launched, followed by the Raspberry Pi 2 in 2015, the Raspberry Pi 3 in 2016, and the Raspberry Pi 4 in 2019. Each model brought significant upgrades in terms of processing power, memory, and connectivity, making Raspberry Pi a versatile tool for various applications. Raspberry Pi can be used for a multitude of projects, from home automation to weather stations, from retro gaming consoles to digital art installations. The possibilities are endless. It's not just a computer, it's a doorway into a world of innovation and creativity. The Raspberry Pi is also an excellent tool for interdisciplinary studies. It bridges the gap between computer science and various other fields like electronics, physics, and even art. It's not just about learning to code, it's about learning to create and innovate. Research and development on Raspberry Pi is a continuous process. The Raspberry Pi Foundation and its community are always on the lookout for new ways to improve the hardware, software, and educational resources. Today, the Raspberry Pi is not just a tool for education. It's a platform for inventors, makers, and explorers. It's used in professional settings for data collection, automation, and even in space exploration. However, like any technology, it's not without its controversies. Questions have been raised about the environmental impact of producing these tiny computers, and there are ongoing debates about how open-source Raspberry Pi really is. Looking ahead, the future of Raspberry Pi is promising. With advancements in technology, we can expect even more powerful, efficient, and versatile versions of Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is not just a computer, it's a revolution in the making. In summary, the Raspberry Pi is a small yet powerful tool that has transformed the way we think about computing. From its humble beginnings at the University of Cambridge to its widespread use in homes, schools, and industries around the world, the Raspberry Pi has indeed come a long way. It's a testament to the power of simplicity, accessibility, and innovation. So, the next time you see a Raspberry Pi, remember, it's not just a tiny computer, it's a big idea.